We are in the
Hello, world.
2008 E250 350.
350.
And we bought the car, and this headrest was deployed. We've been applying our weight. We couldn't get it to work, and then we watched the video, and the guy had a long tool. Show him the tool. It was longer than that, but we don't.
This is an actual rear main seal pulling tool, but
Yeah, so we don't have the tool that really Mercedes gives us. So we had to find something comparable.
Right.
And let me show you just how easy it is. Okay. You hear that click? That was a click. And it slides right down.
There you go. That's it.
That's it.
That's all, folks.
All right. Thank you. So Rich is officially stuck in the back. You have to let the seat up right here, guys.
There we go.
There we go.
There we go. Now get out of here.